Now we are going to see how binary tree accepts the elements and how the binary tree is found. Let's add element by element and see how it works. Okay, so the first element is always going to be your root. So now 8 got inserted and this is going to be our root. So whatever elements we are going to insert now onwards, it will be like children of root 8. Okay, so when I insert a new value, it compares with the 8. Now I'm trying to insert 3, which is lesser than 8. So now it got inserted on the left side. Okay, now if I try to insert 2, again it comes to the left side only. But if I insert any value more than 10, it should go into the right side. It will compare like whether the given value is greater than or not. Okay, so greater than or equal to 8. If it is greater than or equal to 8, then it goes on the right. For example, if I insert 10, it goes on right because 10 is greater than 8. Okay, so now let me insert 14. Okay, if I insert 14, what it does is it will compare with 8. So now the 14 is greater than 8, so it goes to the right, and again it compares with 10. Okay, so it will compare with every node present. So now we have a 10 and 14. So now when we compare 10 and 14, the 14 is greater than 10. Okay, we are comparing with greater than or equal sign, but 14 is greater than 10. So now it comes on the right side. Let's insert 14 greater than 8 and greater than 14. It goes to the right of 10. Now I'm going to insert a smaller value than 8. Let's insert 1 as a value. We are trying to insert 1 which is less than 8, also less than 3. Okay, so when it is less than 3, what it does is it will add it on the left side. If I insert like 4 or 5, it will come on the right side because it is greater than 3 but lesser than 8. Okay, now let's insert a value 6. So if I insert 6, it is less than 8 and it is greater than 3. So if it is greater than this node, then it should go on the right. Okay, now we got it. So let me insert few more values. So let me insert a value 4. Now 4 is lesser than 8, 4 is greater than 3, and 4 is lesser than 6. So if it is lesser than the node, then it goes to the left side. Okay, now let me insert one more value. This time I'm going to insert 7. 7 is greater than 8 and sorry, less than 8 and greater than 3, but greater than 6 as well. Now when we compare the last node, it is greater than 6, then it goes to the right. Okay, if I insert another value which is more than 8, it should go on the right. So for example, I'm inserting 13. 13 is greater than or equal to 8 and greater than or equal to 10, as well as when I compared 13 with 14, it is lesser, so it goes to the left. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to understand it. So if I insert a value called a 15, where it will go? Any guess? I'm guessing like it compares with 8, so 15 is greater than 8, so it goes to the right, and now it should compare with 10. When we compare a 15 with 10, 15 is greater, so again go to the right. When I compare 14 and 15, again the 15 is greater than 14, so it should go to the right of 14. Okay, somewhere here it should come. Let's insert 15. See, as I said, it got inserted in 15. Okay, so for example, if I insert the same value as 8, what happens? So we are having a greater than equal comparison. So it will come on the right and then it compares with the 10. But 8 is lesser than 10, it will add it here. Okay, so that's all with it. But if you want me to add 8, we can add it. insert. See, I hope you are able to understand like the operations occurring behind the tree, binary search tree. Okay, thank you guys.